Hello students, today I will explain you the topic plane shapes from chapter 1. Plane shapes को हम 2D shapes भी कहते हैं because it has two measurements, length and breadth. Okay, now first shape is square. Square, as you can see in the picture, in the square it has four sides, one side, two sides, three sides and four sides. Square has four sides and four corners. When two lines meet at which point, that is called corner. जहाँ पे दो लाइंस मिलती हैं, जॉइन होती हैं, वो पॉइंट उसका कॉर्नर कहलाता है. तो स्क्वायर हैज़ फोर कॉर्नर्स, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and all the sides are equal in the square. Let's see with this cutout. This is a square. Square, it has four sides, one side, 2, 3 and 4, and this is corner, one corner, two corner, three corner and four corner, and all the sides are equal, means same. All the sides of a square is same. This is the cutout of a square. You can see all the sides are equal. Understand? This is square shape. आप घर में भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें देख सकते हैं स्क्वायर शेप में, जैसे कि आप अपनी मम्मी का हैंकी, पापा का हैंकी देख सकते हो. वो भी कौन सी शेप होती है? स्क्वायर में होता है. आपके घर में चेस बोर्ड होगा, चेस बोर्ड भी कौन सी शेप में होता है? स्क्वायर शेप में होता है. कैरम बोर्ड भी स्क्वायर शेप में होता है. तो इस तरीके से आप अपने घर में जितनी भी स्क्वायर चीज़ें हैं वो आप घर एक रफ कॉपी में उसको नोट डाउन भी कर सकते हैं और उनकी साइड्स और कॉर्नर को चेक कर सकते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ सेकंड शेप इज रेक्टेंगल शेप. एज यू सी इन द पिक्चर, रेक्टेंगल शेप में वन साइड, टू साइड, थ्री साइड and four sides. Rectangle shape also has a four side, okay, and four corner also, one corner, two corner, three corner and four corner. It means it has four sides and four corners. But what is the difference between square and rectangle? In the square all the sides are equal, but in the rectangle only two sides are equal. Okay, opposite sides are equal. इस वाले लाइंस के अपोजिट दिस वन, तो दैट वन, दैट आर अपोजिट, एंड दिस इज अपोजिट साइड्स. तो टू लाइंस आर सेम एंड टू लाइंस आर डिफरेंट. दिस इज कॉल्ड लेंथ एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड ब्रेथ. ओके, लेट्स सी विद दिस cutout. This is rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. This is long side, this is short side. Two sides are different. Understand? This is long compared to this one. So that's why two opposite sides are equal. Okay, a rectangle has four sides, four corners, but only opposite sides are equal. It means two sides are equal. Opposite side, this one is opposite and this one is opposite. Understand? Now third shape is triangle. Triangle, tri means three. Tri means three. So in this figure, as you can see, how many lines are there? 1 line, 2 line and 3 line. It means a triangle has 3 sides. And how many corners are there? Let's count. 1, 2 and 3. It means a triangle has 3 corners. Let's see with this cutout. This one is called corner. As I tell you, when the 2 lines are meet at which point, that is called corner. 1 corner, 2 corner and 3 corner. It means a triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Can you tell me some example of triangle? Think and note down your notebook. आपने सैंडविच खाया होगा. सैंडविच इज ऑल्सो अ ट्राइंगुलर शेप. एक और फेमस स्नैक है इंडिया में, समोसा. इट इज ऑल्सो अ ट्राइंगुलर शेप. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट शेप इज सर्कल. This is circle. Circle. What is circle? Circle is a round figure. Circle is a round figure. It has no sides because इसमें कोई lines नहीं है. That's why it has no sides and no corners. Corner भी तभी होते हैं जब lines होती हैं. But in the circle there is no corner and no lines. So it has no sides and no corner. Understand? This is circle. What? Note down some examples of circle at your home, like coin, chapati, many more. Okay? Now I found out the circular example at your home. Next shape is oval shape. Oval shape. As you can see, in the oval shape, it has no sides and no corner, like the circle. But circle is a circular और ये oval. इसका फेमस एग्जाम्पल आपने एग देखा होगा. एग भी आप अगर आपके घर में है तो देख सकते हो कि उसमें कोई साइड्स नहीं होते और कोई कॉर्नर नहीं होते. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके.